본문을 듣고 따라해 보세요.
Hey, have you played this game? It's really exciting.
Yes, I have. That game is pretty popular these days.
The developers used AI technology in it. The game characters are equipped with AI.
Oh, really? Could you explain in more detail?
Sure. The AI characters in the game learn from what human players do and develop their skills.
Oh! That's why I sometimes felt like they already knew my moves.
They're very smart. It is likely that the AI in games will get stronger and stronger.
Hey, have you heard of a smart umbrella?
No, I haven't. Could you explain what it is?
Sure. It's an umbrella that gives you the weather forecast for the day. If it is going to rain, the umbrella makes a sound.
That's very convenient.
Look at these. They are the new inventions of the month.
They all look great. What is the invention on the first page?
It's a new smart refrigerator. It senses the items inside it and suggests recipes.
That sounds helpful.
It does. What do you think of this flying camera? I want to buy it.
A flying camera? Could you explain how it works?
Of course. This machine flies to a destination that we have already set. While it's flying, it can take pictures from 500 meters above the location.
That sounds awesome. What do you want to take pictures of?
I want to take pictures of flying birds.
What are you watching?
It's a show about a man who lost one of his arms in an accident. Surprisingly, he can play the drums very well.
How can he play the drums with only one arm?
Actually, he uses two arms. One is a robot arm controlled by his brain.
That's awesome! Could you explain in more detail?
Sure. First, he thinks what he wants to do with his arm. Then, those thoughts are turned into electronic signals. The signals travel from his brain to his robot arm and move it.
That's amazing! I think this technology can help many people.
You know what? Scientists are working on a project to send people to Mars.
It is likely that we'll live in outer space in the near future. As climate change is going to make farming harder, there may not be enough resources for the increasing number of people on Earth. For this reason, it is likely that we will have to change how we get our food. For example, we won't kill animals for food. Instead, meat will be grown in a lab using animal cells. This will require less land, water, and other resources. Also, bugs such as ants will become part of our daily meals. You might not want to eat them, but they are actually very rich in nutrients.
I had to wait in line at the store for almost 20 minutes.
That's too bad. Maybe in the future we'll never have to wait in line.
What do you mean?
I read about a store without cashiers. You take what you want to buy and just walk out.
That's it? How do you pay for it?
There are cameras and sensors in the store. They keep track of the items you choose and send the information to an app on your smartphone.
Then the app pays for them when you leave the store?
Exactly. It's likely that these kinds of stores will be more common in the future.